was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I will achieve it, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display.
What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So the Galaxy S22 series of devices been out for a few weeks now, and I've been having the Galaxy S22 Ultra for about 2 weeks. I've been making countless of videos about it, give you full coverage, the good, the bad, the ugly about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But now, since the honeymoon phase is over with, let me give you my full thoughts after 2 weeks of having the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This gonna be a fun one. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the honeymoon stage is over. And here's my thoughts about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, having it for about 2 weeks. And I get this question over and over and over again. The biggest question: is the Galaxy S22 Ultra better than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? And I'm gonna give you the answer here. The answer is yes and no. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a bigger screen, SD card support, MST support, future support, great cameras, and for most people, it's paid off. That's the key. It's paid off. That means that if you got it on the carrier, your bills are going down. And if it's paid off, you don't have to pay anything. So in that aspect, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is better. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has a better display. And I mean, when I talk about better display, I think this display is top notch. It has the latest specs, right? 8 Gen 1 processor. I got the 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. You got longer support, which means that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will get support up to 2027. The cameras is, to me, a bit better on the Galaxy S22 Ultra versus the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And you know what? That's about it. That means that if you have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I believe it's a keeper. Hopefully that answers the question. I believe the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a keeper device. So let's talk about performance. And yes, Samsung has been in the news lately for getting banned, for throttling apps, and all kinds of things in between. Look, Samsung is totally wrong and we got to hold them accountable. But let's keep it real here, right? Tech enthusiasts and techies are the only one that's going crazy over it, right? And listen, you can still run benchmark tests on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. So even though it's banned from Geekbench and all that stuff like that, you can still run benchmark tests. So that's not an issue. If you a geek and you want to know how to, if you want to run benchmark tests, you can still do it. But the average consumer, that's not an issue. But using the Galaxy S22 Ultra day by day, performance is great. But look here, man. I'm not gonna BS you here. Every year we get a new processor. And yes, it's supposed to be faster than the previous processor. But are you going to be blown away with performance? No. If you have a previous device, then you're going to be okay. Look, it all depends on your definition of fast. So let's talk about these cameras. Here is where I see a nice improvement over the previous devices. Look, I like the zoom lens on this device. It's been very good. I've been doing a lot of videos, a lot of camera reviews with these cameras here. But let me show you a quick demo on how good these cameras is in action. So check this out. So one of my most used features on Samsung devices is Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX has been great. I use it every day. Look, before I go any further about Samsung DeX, let me make this clear. I've been making a lot of DeX videos for a very long time, showing off the capability of how good DeX is. I never say that DeX is better than a real computer. I never say that gaming on DeX will replace your gaming computer. For all the people that are taking my words out of context, please stop. Listen, this is a mobile device. It has features like Samsung DeX. Can you play games on DeX? Yes. Is it a full feature device when it comes down to DeX? Yes. Does it play games very well on DeX? Yes. Is it a PC-like experience, but don't replace your PC? Yes. And it's all coming from a device that fits in your pocket. Now, Samsung DeX is a good feature to use if you have it monitored with USB Type-C or Miracast if you want to use wireless DeX. It gives you a almost PC-like experience and it works very well for me. I've been making a bunch of DeX videos on my channel, so please check it out. To me, as a business owner, I really do like DeX. Samsung DeX has been very good for me. And look, I will continue to make videos about DeX, so stay tuned for more. So let's talk about the S Pen. This is one of the reasons why you buy a Galaxy S22 Ultra, because Samsung now has integrated the S Pen with the device. It's not just a stylus, it's software integrated in the device that you can use for a lot of different things. I've made a lot of videos about the S Pen and S Pen software on the Galaxy devices. I mean, it has a lot of features such as, using it as a shutter button to take photos, using it as a PowerPoint presentation if you're a student or a teacher, using it to control music and videos and much more. Look, the S Pen is not just a stylus. It has the software to match and it works very well. But the S Pen and the S Pen software is one of a kind. It's one of the unique features that Samsung has that separates the boys from the men on their Galaxy devices. So here's my conclusion. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is the best Samsung device to date. It has a beautiful display, a beautiful design, long support, and much more. But Samsung has been criticized for a lot of things lately, for throttling apps, being banned from Geekbench and stuff like that, which is not cool. Also, taking away features such as SD card support, MST support, a weak speaker system, which I made a video about. Again, check it out on my channel. Compared to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, a slightly smaller display compared to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But as far as battery life, and I didn't talk about battery life too much in this video because I believe that the device is still learning me. But if I had to rate the battery life today, I would give it a C+. It's not good, it's not bad, it's okay. Look, I'm gonna keep it real here. I really like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but damn Samsung, you got me concerned about the future here, right? Look, have we reached our plateau? If there's nothing else to do here with a slab phone, look, I mean, look at the history here of Galaxy devices, right? I mean, are we getting upgrades or downgrades? I mean, look over the years, things that we've lost. Headphone jacks, power bricks, IR blaster, SD card support, MST, getting 12 gigs of RAM as the base, going down to 8 gigs of RAM for the base, getting 256 gigs of storage as the base, going down to 128 gigs of storage as the base. Same price or higher price. It's just innovation. So my last 2 weeks with the Galaxy S22 Ultra has been solid. I talk about the pros and cons, and I'm going to continue to make videos about the pros and cons about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So stay tuned and subscribe. Look, man, on this YouTube channel, I'm going to keep it real no matter what, baby. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is good, but so is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That phone is good also. Let's have us a conversation down in the comments below. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.